Hi y'all, bonjour, hola, my name is Trish. In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change white into any color or even black in Photoshop. So without much ado, let's get started. So typically you would have to go to the adjustment levels and choose hue to change up your color. Even when I use that, it's only changing it on the skin and not on the shirt because it's white. So we are going to delete this, click on our quick selection tool, then click on object selection. Now we want to make a selection of just the shirt. Now it might take a few tweaking here and there to get it to be perfect. So I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in, and then I'm going to use my add to selection, and I'm going to zoom in, and I'm just going to go ahead and just basically eyeball and trace this area. And for the purposes of this Photoshop training, might not be perfect, but it will be good for what we want. So we also have to cut out the arms. So click on your quick selection tool. Make sure this time you choose subtract from selection. And we are just going to go ahead and just eyeball this. And we are going to do the same thing for the arm here. Once you have your shirt selected, we want to go under adjustment and add a solid color. So we can go ahead and change this color to, let's say, a red like that. Now we need to change the adjustment multiply. Now we need to go ahead and add a curves adjustment. So I'm going to click on my adjustment and I am going to click on curves, and we are going to move our curves up, and then we're going to move this down as well so we can pull the details. Now we need to clip our curves adjustment only to the color fill. So right below your curves adjustment, you see this little icon. Click on that. Now if I double click on my color, I can change it to whatever color I want, and this works very good. So the next thing we're going to do is that we want to add a curves adjustment. So click on your adjustment, go ahead and add a curves, and we are going to move this up to bring up more detail in our shirt. So you see that is really looking good. Now we want to clip our curves adjustment only to the layer beneath. So hold down options and just clip that to it. Now this is the detail that we have. I'm going to go ahead and move it so we can see it a little bit more. So now that we've been able to do this, now what if I want to turn this white shirt into a black shirt? Now this is a bit more tricky, but it's easy to do in Photoshop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my curves adjustment, hold down Shift Option Command E just to save a copy of our colored shirt. I'm going to turn it off. Now we want to change this color. So double click on the thumbnail of your color fill. Now choose a black, but make sure that you choose something that is a little bit towards the bright side so you can begin to see a little bit of a detail. Now we're going to go ahead to click OK. Now double click on the color fill. It brings up the layer style. Under this layer, we want to go ahead and split that, and notice that it begins to show a little bit more detail in your shirt. So something like this, we're going to go ahead and click OK. Now if you want to go ahead and add another curves adjustment, now use your color picker, pick an area in the dark area. Now pull that down and then pick another area in the light portion of your shirt and pull that up. So from here, what I'm going to do now that I have details in my shirt, I'm going to go ahead and hold down options and select. I'm going to hold down Command, make a selection of my shirt. Now I want the inverse of the shirt. So go under select, choose inverse, Now we are going to click on the thumbnail of our curves adjustment. Make sure your foreground is black. Pick up your brush tool, increase your brush. Now we can go ahead and paint to basically hide every part of our subject where we see bright, just like that. And I'm going to go ahead to click on Command D to deselect. So now you have a very good black. So this is the color, this is the black. Now, if we want to take the black a little bit more deeper, we can double click on it, and you have to be careful so you don't pick up on a different color. So it's more like that. And there you go. So this is looking really good. This is the colored, this is the black and white. I hope you enjoyed this Photoshop tutorial on how to turn white into any color, even black. So till next time, please give this video a thumbs up. Bye y'all.